So yesterday we had some predators out here, literally right outside of our door. We had a fox who was barking at a bobcat. And then today I come out here and it looks like one of the predators has been at work here. So anyway, I'll show you a little video clip I took of them. That was pretty cool. But the turkey, however, he's seen better days. But I guess that's part of the farm life and living out on the land. You see stuff like that. But right here is where the bobcat was hanging out. The fox was up the hill there, right there, and then there's our pole barn. But here's the clip of the fox barking at the bobcat.
You get a video.
I got it.
Then move it to the right and show you the bobcat. Right to the right. There he is.
Oh my God. What's going on in our yard? The cat's in the garage. Oh my God, where's my cat? All right. That's what was screaming the other night. He's going after it.
He's just chasing.
Right
there, right there.
He could be out right now, Tony.
He just sat down.
Oh my God.